Meaning of dignified.
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 Dignified. Dignified is an adjective that describes a person or thing that displays a serious and composed manner. It implies a sense of honor, respect, and self-respect that commands admiration and sets a standard to follow. A dignified individual projects confidence and authority, without being arrogant or overbearing. Dignity also refers to a state of being worthy of respect and honor that stems from personal integrity, moral values, and social status. In essence, dignity connotes a quality of presence that elevates oneself and inspires others to behave with decorum and reverence.